What's up, YouTube? Out here shooting today with my buddies, like my brothers, my best friends. One of them here, check this out. It's a 1999 Crown Victoria with the bumper guard installed, baby. Down the side here, delicious. Roof rack on top, and of course Ron Burgundy on the back. 31-inch tires, and down the side, that's a whole lot of love. One of my favorite things about the car is the glass pack exhaust. Listen to how good this bad boy sounds. The welded rear differential really makes this guy a beast. Check it out in the corners. Watch it rip.
Doing hot guy shit.
He also installed the 5-inch lift so we could go wherever we wanted. It was amazing. We had the windows down and we were absolutely covered in dirt, laughing so hard.
Doing hot guy shit. Ketchup.
We're about to eat so much dirt right here. Watch this.
That was sick.
He's gonna try and hit a J turn now. Let's go. Center a little too hard here.
Whoopsie! He's legit scared the shit out of me in my rearview mirror before. Who's in the back? Oh, he's just on the edge of the rearview mirror, so I'll look and be like, oh, there's someone in the seat. But it's just Ron Burgundy. It's just Ron Burgundy.
Alright guys, that's it. It's all the fun we have. Sun's going down. Nice little sunset back here. Car is broken. You can hear it. Listen.
Not that broken, because listen.
She sounds very good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. See you guys. Like and subscribe for more. We'll be back.
Maybe it's